Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Liberty from Paw Patrol. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. We make the intersection slight towards left side, as we draw into third view. Draw eye sockets. Draw eye sockets. Draw eyes. Draw eyes. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw neck. Draw helmet. Draw helmet. Draw ear. Draw logo on the helmet. Draw belt on the neck. Draw a circle below head for ribcage. Draw badge on the neck belt. Draw a small circle at the left side for the pelvis. These two circles create a basic body shape. Draw legs. Draw paws. Draw legs. Draw paws. Draw legs. Draw paws. Draw tail. Draw legs. Draw paws. Detail the suit. Draw backpack. Draw ear. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.